What up, y'all? This is your boy Khan. What I really wanted to show y'all was a way to use patches as a way to tell a story. This is just some random denim jacket I found at the thrift store. I believe it's today's news, whatever today's news is. But I want to make a jacket, want to make a cool jacket and kind of tell the story and dedicate it to my mother. And so, over the period of a couple months, I found different patches I thought that served the purpose. The first one here is a W. Her first name was Wanda. She was a music major in college, and so that's why you have the treble clef there. Also, this old patch is a S. Her maiden name was Smith, which is the S. Down here, this is an old patch from a 1948 Ford something that was on some kind of jacket or something. So she was born in 1948, passed away in 1977. You have the Warriors here because she went to Wayne State. You have the Warriors with the gold and the green. Up top here, you have the Mustangs, and she graduated in 1966. The Mustangs is the month of Mustangs where she went to high school at, and she graduated in 1966. And so again, all of these together, I feel like just like kind of like my just a way to commemorate her and make something meaningful. And also, I think it's kind of fly. You know, I think it's pretty cool. I wear this jacket. I like it. It goes good with shit. And you know, and I'm representing my mother in doing it. So again, you can use patches to tell a story or to enhance something already sweet or whatever you want to use it for. All right, this your boy. I'm out. Peace.